Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Uzair here. Today I'm going to teach you some household items. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe it now so that you can get all my lectures. So let's begin today's lecture. The first word we have it's basket. Basket means tokri, basket. Second word it is bucket. Bucket yani balti, bucket, okay? Third word is candle, mombati, candle. Pillow, takia, pillow. Sack, बोरी, sack, बोरी को हम कहते हैं sack, okay? Curtain, पर्दा, curtain. Rolling pin, बेलन, rolling pin. Rope, रस्सी, रस्सी को हम कहते हैं rope. Mat, चटाई, mat. Comb, यानी कंघी, comb. बी यहाँ पे साइलेंट है तो हम इसे कहते हैं comb, कंघी. Mirror, शीशा, mirror. Gloves, दस्ताने, gloves. Ladder, सीढ़ी, सीढ़ी को हम कहते हैं ladder, ladder, okay? सीढ़ी, ladder. Prayer mat, जाय नमाज, prayer mat. Soap, साबुन को हम कहते हैं soap. Chair, कुर्सी, chair. Matchstick, माचिस की तीली, matchstick. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel English with Uzair so that you can get all my lectures. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.